So I'm going to show you how to enter and also how to exit recovery mode on your OnePlus 15. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go to the power menu of your phone. So press and hold the side and volume up button, and then you'll see restart. So go ahead and select the restart option and immediately press and hold the volume down button. So just press and hold that volume down button and keep holding it. You're gonna feel a vibration, just keep holding that volume down. Keep holding. The phone restarts, keep holding. Just keep holding that volume down and you will see this menu. Okay, now this menu is probably going to be in Chinese. So what you need to do is tap on the language you want to use. So I've selected English, and once the English language is selected, I'm now inside recovery mode. Now in the recovery mode, most people are gonna come here to format data, which is basically perform a hard reset on your OnePlus 15, and that's it. To get out of recovery mode, simply go ahead and select the reboot device option and confirm you want to reboot device by tapping OK. Of course, you can also choose to use the volume rockers to scroll up and down, and the side button to select whatever it is that you want. Anyway, so the phone is going to restart back into your normal UI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.